Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this October the 1st, 2023. I'm hoping everybody's having a great Sunday out there so far. Hope everybody has a great Sunday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in today's video, we're going to be talking about your forecast for Monday and Tuesday across the nation. Also, we're going to take a look at Tropical Storm Philippe and a little bit more information on him. Also, we're going to take a look at the Watches Warning Advisory map for your locating across the nation. Also, we're going to take a look at the Storm Prediction Center overview and the storm reports that came in this afternoon. And also, we're going to take a look at Tropical Depression Rena now, which should dissipate sometime later tonight or early Monday morning. Alright, if you're a new viewer and have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and consider subscribing. Love to have you. Like these videos, share these videos, and let's go ahead and get the show on the road here, folks. Alright, as you can see here, we got quiet conditions extending across southeast Canada through much of the east coast, then from Maine all the way down into northern Florida, all the way back west to Texas, also back into portion of Minnesota and Wisconsin region. Also quiet conditions across southern Canada, back to a portion of southwestern Canada as well, and also from portion of California down to the Gulf of California, and also into portions of the western and central portions of Mexico as well. Alright. Got showers and storms down here in central and eastern Florida, down to the Florida Keys. Also more down in the Gulf of Mexico, back through northeast Mexico, through western Texas, all the way back up to North Dakota. Also portion of southern Canada there as well. Portion of Wyoming also. Also some shower and storms activity in portion of New Mexico, also in Arizona. Shower activity over here in portions of Washington State, Oregon. Also back over toward Montana, right along the Canadian border with northwestern North Dakota and also Minnesota, Montana as well. Alright, we got mixed precipitation in the portion of Washington and Oregon State. Same over here in Montana, to Idaho, also in Wyoming, Nevada, Utah, and Colorado. In the yellow slashed area there in the eastern New Mexico and West Texas, some severe thunderstorm possible there. And also in the red slashed area, there could be some flash flooding and heavy rain possible in that region. All of this here is for your Monday. Alright, let's take a look at your Tuesday forecast now. As you can see, we got quiet conditions there from southeast Canada, down the east coast from Maine all the way down to northern Florida, back to Texas, all the way back to eastern Wisconsin. Same across southern Canada, back to southwestern areas. Also back through portion of Washington State, through California, Nevada, down in Arizona, New Mexico, to the Gulf of California, much of northwestern Mexico, central Mexico as well. Alright, we got some showers and storms along the Carolina coast, all the way down to East Florida, down into the Florida Keys, Gulf of Mexico, through Florida, back into Texas, also northeast New Mexico. New Mexico's, excuse me, all the way back up through the Dakota, portion of Minnesota, right along the Canadian border, from Minnesota back to North Dakota. Alright, we got some shower activity from portions of southern Canada, from northwestern North Dakota, back through portion of Montana. Scattered activity over Washington State, also around Vancouver, Canada as well. Also in the portion of Oregon also. We got mixed precipitation across portion of southern Canada through Montana, Idaho, back in the portion of Nevada, Utah, Colorado, and Wyoming as well. And the yellow slashed area extended from Kansas all the way back into West Texas. Some severe weather possible in that region for your Tuesday. Alright, let's move on to Philippe. As you can see, here's Tropical Storm Philippe. Getting pretty close to the Windward and Leeward Islands here. You can see the activity getting a little better organized. The last check, they were moving to the west-northwest at 7 miles per hour. So we'll take a look at that information here from the National Hurricane Center. We're going to take a look at their forecast cone real quick and see what we got. Yellow here remains a tropical storm all the way through Wednesday afternoon. 2 p.m. Eastern. I think sometime last week I said it may affect you guys, even though the model was showing tropical storm conditions going a little bit north. I said y'all may get in it, and so far everything came fruition. I expect it to become a hurricane by passing east of Bermuda. I would not be surprised tropical storm conditions may affect Bermuda as well. Alright, if you're tracking this system at home, it's located near latitude 16.4 north, longitude 59.0 west. Maximum sustained weather near 50 miles an hour with higher gusts. Moving into the west-northwest at 7 miles an hour. Classified as tropical storm with winds of 39 to 73 miles per hour. Alright, let's take a look at the Spaghetti-O models real quick. Okay. Position of the storm, see it takes it pretty well close to the Leeward Island, then to the north. One tries to take it west of Bermuda. Here's Bermuda. They, according to most of the models, keeping it a little pretty far east of Bermuda, but the National Hurricane Center is pretty much going a little bit over this way, pretty much following this model run here, that COTI model. That's pretty much the center of the storm, the way they got it going in their forecast. Home. Okay, as you can see, it still has winds of 45 knots. Like I said, equal in keeps it a tropical storm. Some takes it into a hurricane. That's why they got it. Maybe a hurricane coming up toward Wednesday. But it could just remain a tropical storm. But I'm going with them, expected maybe become a hurricane by Wednesday, or maybe even a little earlier. So, all right, let's take a look at the watches warning advisory map. Alright, as you can see here, we got coastal flood advisories up here around the New Jersey, Delaware, Washington, D.C. area. Same from southeast Georgia through northern Florida. Also, flood watches also in effect for you guys across eastern Florida. Gale warning from South Florida to South Carolina coastal areas near the Savannah River area. Also, well, near Savannah, that is, excuse me, of Georgia. Alright, also some gale warnings extended from the Outer Banks of North Carolina all the way up to eastern Maine, also in the coastal water. Coastal flood advisory for southeast Louisiana. Also, we got some red flag warning in effect for Louisiana, East Texas, same for northwestern portions of New Mexico, southeastern Arizona. Alright, we still got some blowing dust advisories over portions of Kansas, also into Colorado and Nevada. Kansas, excuse me, and Nebraska, that is, excuse me. Also, we got some freeze warnings in effect, freeze watch in effect for portions of northwestern Colorado. Winter weather advisory for portions of you guys in Utah and also into the mountain range of California. Also, wind advisories also in effect for portions of Arizona, Colorado, southeast Utah, and eastern portions of areas in Arizona. Also have a high wind warning for you guys in Arizona as well. Flood watch is also in effect for portions of New Mexico. Also, we got a few flash flood warning, flood advisory for North Texas, and also you guys in portions of New Mexico. Winter storm advisory, winter storm warning for South Alaska, special weather statements to the central and north. Around the area, got some gale warnings central and south, Hawaii Chain Island, north and central looks a-okay. Alright, Storm Prediction Center overview. Alright, as you can see, there's a general thunderstorm down across Florida, marginal risk over here in portions of Texas, also in the portion of New Mexico and also Oklahoma. There's a general thunderstorm from Montana down to the west coast of Florida. Convective outlook, you can see a little bit better. That's the only marginal risk. Current watches none in effect. MDS none in effect. Storm reports, we had none received today, so that's good news. Would not be surprised to see one or two. And we have an elevated risk of fire weather extending from portions of Colorado down into portions of New Mexico and southeastern Arizona. Alright, now we're going to take a look at Tropical Storm Rena, and then we're going to wrap up the video. Alright, you can see here at the 5 p.m. advisory, it's a depression with winds. If you're tracking this last advisory, this will be located in latitude 26.2 north, longitude 55.5 west. Maximum sustained winds are near 35 miles an hour with higher gusts. Moving to the northwest at 16 miles an hour. and by 2 a.m. in the morning should be out of the picture, so we can say goodbye to Rena. Alright, classified as tropical depression with winds of less than 39 miles per hour. Alright, well, hope everybody enjoyed this video. Hope everybody continue to stay safe and well. Also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got. Like these videos, share these videos, consider subscribing if you have not. And we'll catch you back in the next video. So have a wonderful, wonderful Sunday evening, folks. Take care.